I'm gonna go record for YouTube. Yo, what's good, YouTube? So pretty much we broke structure to the upside on the 15-minute to confirm that 30-minute and 1 hour retracement on both indexes. And on the 4 hour, if we are looking more bearish for the day, then I don't think price will go higher than this point here till equilibrium. That's if we're looking more bearish today. But if we're looking more bullish, I think price will for sure surpass that, no doubt. So high time frame is looking extremely bearish, except for like the 4 hour and the daily, of course. But on a lower time frame, we are looking pretty good for longs at the minute because we swept out these 5-minute lows, retraced into this 5-minute fair value gap, creating a bullish SMT divergence where ES is the more bullish index on the lower time frame. And we did not break structure to the upside, neither did we on Nasdaq. Cool. No stress. So we're still chilling. Oh, whoops. My bad, gang. Now we're just chilling for another 5 minutes. Another 5 minions. See if we break structure to the upside here. Uh, we low-key might have to wait till 10 o'clock. I don't know what we're doing here. Are we gonna continue higher to inverse this gap, or are we... Is there a gap here? If there is, then I'm gonna have to... There is a gap there. And there's no gap on ES. Which on the high time frame is the more bullish index. Okay, so we should be expecting maybe an inverse on the 1 hour on ES, but not Nasdaq. Because Nasdaq has to inverse this low gap here for us to consider going higher. We're either retracing into 1 hour equilibrium to continue lower, or we're actually gonna go all the way up. I mean, I don't see a reason why we would go all the way up. I won't even lie. Okay, well, it looks like they're actually figuring things out. What the fuck? Okay, so I think the market's gonna look bullish because of this. They actually are figuring things out. No high impact news. Tomorrow, may possibly be a no trade day. Because I don't like trading FOMC maybe Thursday to Friday I can for sure trade, but tomorrow is maybe. We're gonna break structure soon. To the upside on the 5 minute. Because we broke structure on the 15 minute already. But we're like you're gonna have to wait another 15 minutes for the 1 hour candlestick to close to see where price is actually gonna go. See if it's gonna respect this 1 hour gap or if it's gonna shoot higher. Alright, 15 minute candlestick's about to close. We're gonna break structure to the upside on the 15 minute. Okay, so ES already broke structure to the upside. Are we retracing from the 1 hour or are we gonna actually continue higher? Because this break structure on the 15 minute could just be that confirmation that we actually are retracing. So I don't want to hold it. I don't want to do anything yet. We break structure on the 5 minute. On both indexes. So, low key, I mean, if we're actually gonna continue higher, then I'll be like, boom. Boom. I'm gonna remember when high time frame equilibrium. So this is a very important moment right now. If we break below this 5 minute low, then I think, okay, maybe we might be going lower. But I for sure want to wait. Maybe when that 1 hour candlestick closes, I won't lie. That's an eye. Like you're just gonna have to wait till 10 o'clock. Nasdaq is looking more bullish at the minute on the lower time frame. Alright, we're in equilibrium on ES. Let's see if NQ can reach equilibrium. There's a gap here as well, so it doesn't really need to reach equilibrium as long as it fills that gap and shows a buying power to the upside after tapping into this gap on Nasdaq. I mean, like, if we break structure to the upside on ES, we're actually looking kind of good. I won't even lie. Break above this 1 minute high. I just want to see, like, if we break structure to the downside on the 5 minute, I think we're probably gonna respect this 1 hour gap. But we got a long way to go till then. Nasdaq hasn't retraced yet. Okay, that looks like shit. Alright, we're tapping into this gap. 5 minute gap. I just want to make sure, like, we're gonna invest it or we're gonna just trace into it. Because if we break structure to the upside, I kind of have to take shorts. If we break structure to the upside on both indexes, I kind of have to take shorts. I won't even lie. I mean, I have to take longs, my bad. I'll for sure take longs on Nasdaq. Okay, we're gonna invest it. If we invest this 5 minute gap, then, like, I think we're gonna continue lower because we are in 1 hour. We are in a 1 hour gap as well as equilibrium on both indexes. So if we break structure to the downside, if we invest this gap on Nasdaq, and if we break structure to the downside on ES, kind of looking pretty good, I won't lie. It's kind of looking good. Still got 50 seconds to that. 5-minute candlestick closes. Because I think this inverse gap would confirm that retracement. And then we're going to continue lower. This 5-minute inverse gap after the 1 hour retracement confirms that it was a retracement and we're not going to continue higher. We still got 20 seconds till that 5-minute candlestick closes. Let's see. 5 seconds. We did in fact inverse the gap. Yeah, we did. But the thing is, ES needs to see a bit more selling power. Yeah, we broke structure on 1 minute on both indexes. Now I kind of want ES to break structure before we short that beat. Short that beat. Nasdaq is the more bearish index on a higher time frame. Even when what are we actually doing? Alright, we might be retracing on NQ. Things I kind of want ES to break structure still. Looking good for shorts at the minute. Nasdaq is about to tap into 5-minute equilibrium. We're pretty much at it. I want to make sure, like, did we actually inverse this gap? Well, looks like we did. Let's see how ES is going. I want a 5-minute brick structure or something, gang. Let's take out the fib. This shit is so weird. Wait, how do I use this shit again? Fuck. It's like that, right? Alright, 5-minute candlestick's about to close. Oh, it just closed. I don't know if we inverse this 1 minute fair value gap. We're looking good for shorts, but ES needs to catch up. Because on the high time frame, we're definitely looking bearish. But probably gonna go lower. I won't lie. I want ES to break structure though. NQ looks sweet. NQ looks really good. I won't lie. Maybe we'll create a low, a higher low for us to break structure to. There's a gap here on NQ. I want even if we get a break structure to the downside on the 1 minute, that would be cool on ES. Maybe we will break structure when the 5 minute candlestick closes, because that'll be pretty tough. Created a higher low on Nasdaq, so it'll be easier for Nasdaq to break structure. He's closer. I mean, ES is, but it's not the more bearish index. %57%. Yeah, ES is for sure closer. Let's see if the 5 minute closed. Did nothing. Dude, why are we going higher? Hopefully it's just a sweep before continuing lower. Alright, we created an even higher low, so we would have to break structure right here. Bro, unless we just break structure to the upside, bro, like what? Please just be a sweep. Dude, if we break structure, that'd be so arse. We do. Not a 5 minute structure though. Surely we're not gonna retrace on the 4 hour. So we'll have to go, we'll literally be continuing higher. Let's see what happens when the 5 minute candlestick closes. We've got a gap here on ES. We're gonna have to wait if we break structure on Nasdaq and then versus gap on ES. If we actually are gonna go higher, then I'd just expect a 4 hour retracement. Bro, I've got so many fucking equilibrium shits from here to here. That'd probably be my first take profit. The equilibrium point. Then it'll be London high. Final take profit Asia high. / all time high. When I'm looking at it now, it doesn't seem far away. We're in 1 hour equilibrium, but not really the 4 hour. Who knows, we may just retrace all the way up to this gap here. See how the 5 minute closes. How long am I gonna be recording? 30 minutes. It's not too bad. Alright, we inverse this gap and we break structure to the upside. So Loki looking like a buy. Is it on? Probably have to do it on. Who's closer? 39. I mean, ES is closer. And it's the more bullish index according to that SMT up here. Okay, maybe I'll probably have to do it on NASDAQ. I just saw that candlestick here. Five-minute equilibrium. We're in equilibrium on both indexes. Oh, so if we get buying power to the upside, then it's looking good for longs. The reason why we didn't take shorts there is because we did not. There was a gap somewhere that we didn't inverse. Pretty sure it was this gap. No inverse. Need to break above this high. Break above this high. If we do it on both indexes at the same time, then it's looking really good for longs. Especially on NASDAQ. I might do it on the micro contract on NASDAQ. Probably be like, what? Can I do 7.5? Or just do 7? Bro, why are we going lower now? At least we didn't break structure. Well, we did on ES. Well, this is either a deep retracement or we're actually gonna go lower. Ain't shit happening on the 15 minute. It's annoying because we break structure on the 1 minute on the ES. Damn. We low-key just dumping now. Okay, Nasdaq is definitely looking more bullish on the smaller time frame. Now both indexes are showing me we're still looking bearish. We didn't end up inversing that gap. No, we didn't. This might be a no trade day. Bro, like, we literally, my bias was switched like 3 or 4 times today. I thought we were gonna go short, and then I thought we were gonna continue higher, and then I thought we were gonna go short. Because to be honest with you, since market open, we've just fucked around in this price range, man. I think it's just a better idea just to not take a trade, honestly. Shit sucks right now. Market's ass. Literal just consolidation till market opened. We literally just fucked around for like 45 minutes. We had some movement. Like, even if we break structure on a fucking 1 minute. Okay, we inverse the gap to the upside on 1 minute on the ES, but we still need to break structure on Nasdaq, which we're probably not gonna fucking do. Bro. Because we did inverse that gap. This gap here. There's no gap here. So ass. Like, on the 1 hour we're bearish, on every other time frame we're bearish. Except for the 15 minute, we only break structure to the upside to confirm that 30 minute 1 hour retracement. On a 5 minute, on a 5 minute we're bullish on the ES. And on Nasdaq. Oh, my bias is switched back to bearish now. I mean, that's the safe. That's low-key. It is the safer bias because the higher time frame shows that same um, bias. It shows that bearish bias on the higher time frame as well as in the lower time frame now. I mean, we're still bullish in the 1 minute on ES. Not on Nasdaq. Swept out this 1 minute low. Can we stop fucking around? Oh, we have a gap here. Might be a no trade day. Might be no trade today. We're just fucking consolidating. I'm still curious where price is gonna go after all this bullshit. Straight up fucking nothingness. Like you see what? Look what I'm seeing, right? I don't do trend lines because I'm not a fucking retail trader. But like, look what I'm seeing. We're just doing fucking this, bro. We're doing this. That's what we're doing. Fucking lame. Fucking lame as shit, cunt. Oh, we got 7 more minutes, otherwise I'm just not taking a fucking trade. Shit, can't waste of fucking time. Oh, bro. Could have at least broke structure. Alright, we finally fucking broke structure to the downside. Not on the ES. Yeah, today looks fucking garbage. The thing is, I know I'm gonna regret trading if I take a trade today, because today the market looks like arse. It's like arse cheeks. Straight up booty. Oh my god, dude. Like, we go lower, and then we go higher. It's just getting like, the swings are just getting smaller and smaller, man. Like, look how fucking crazy that is. Look at that. The swings are literally just going like that, bro. We're not gonna fucking break out this range. So homosexual. So homo. This is when you know that you should not take a fucking trade. This is for sure a no trade day, by the way. Unless, like, the market can show me in, like, something in 4 minutes, which is, it's just not. Dude, look at that, man. Looks like a fucking, like an arrow, bro. It looks like an arrow. Or a flag, bro. Look at that. A flag. So fucking gay. Look at that. Here's a flag. Oh. Look at that. Okay, I mean. Yeah, this is a no trade day, I'm not gonna lie. This is fucking looking like arse. Looks like garbage. Honestly, it looks like we're kind of dumping now as well. Yeah, it looks like we're just gonna dump now. Okay, we may actually just continue lower now. But I'm still not gonna take a trade because it still looks so arse. So fucking arse. Not gonna lie. I'm gonna stay on for like a couple more minutes, that's it. Alright, so we did break structure on Nasdaq on the 5 minute, but bro, like. Yeah, this is a no trade day. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, I'm out of here. See you, YouTube. See you, Kick. Peace.